Welcome to Engineering Graphics lecture number 3 for orthographic projection. We are going to see around 15 numericals in this lecture. So you'll get idea how to solve these type of examples in your examination. Okay. So as you know, this is my introduction. I'm assistant professor in mechanical engineering department, Nava Sahyadri. Now we'll start with this first example of this lecture. Okay. Okay. So if you'll see, if I want to draw a front view of this diagram, then in front view, I have to start from this point. Then I'm going to show this yellow portion in front view. Okay, because this is visible to me from front side. Getting? This portion will be visible to me from front view. Now here it is a semicircular portion, but in front view it will be appearing like a rectangular portion. This semicircular portion will be seen as semicircle itself. There will be a hole, so we are going to show a hole as a circle with center, and this hole and this hole will be appearing as dotted lines with a center line and two dotted lines. And in case of top view, what will happen if I want to show top view? If I want to show top view, in the top view, I'll just change the color of highlighter. Okay, in top view, this and this portion is going to be seen. This portion is going to be seen, and this one. So this total portion will be seen, and the hidden portion will be shown by a dotted line. In case of side view, I'm going to see this portion, this portion, this portion, and the beneath portion. All this portion will be seen in side view clearly. So I'm going to draw that. Okay. So you can see in front view, I'm going to show this portion only. So this, the line will start from here. The semicircular portion will be there, and then there will be a small rectangular projection, and the bottom line will be like this. So this is your front view. In front view, this circle is completely visible, so I have drawn it complete circle. This circle or this hole is not visible, that's why I have shown by a center line with two dotted lines. Always remember, circle will be represented by a center line, and if it is invisible, I'm going to show with two edge lines, that is dotted lines. Then in next part, we'll see top view. In case of top view, you can see this portion is there, which is visible. I have shown here. Then these two semicircular portions will be seen as a rectangular portion from upper side, and this the beneath portion, again it is a semicircular, but it is shown by a dotted line because it is hidden. The central hole will be shown by a center line and two dotted lines. Here the center line holes will be shown by dotted lines. In case of side view, what will happen? We'll see. In case of side view, I'm going to see a semicircular portion here. Then this portion is there. So this will be seen. These two flanges will be seen as a rectangular portion, and everywhere there are holes which will be represented by a center line and two dotted lines, a center line and two dotted lines. Only the circle which is visible is the circle below this rectangular portion, and that is shown by full line. This we have to remember. Okay. Now we'll see the next example. This one. In this example, you will see this is seen as a front view. This portion will be seen as front view, and this triangular portion will be seen as front view. So from front side, I can show with the help of some highlighter that this will be visible. Highlighter, I'll select. Okay, highlighter. So this will be visible. This will be visible. This portion will be visible up to this point only, and this portion will be visible, and this portion will be visible. So that much will be coming only in front view. In case of top view, what will happen? I'll change the color of highlighter. We can see this portion, this rectangular portion, this rectangular portion, and here is one, you can say, good thing, that is, though this is semicircular portion, in case of top view, it will be seen like a rectangle only. So it will be seen in rectangle, and this one, this one, and this one. So that portions will come into your top view. In case of side view, what will happen? In case of side view, I can see this portion, this portion, this semicircular portion as a rectangle, this portion, this will be seen, and this again will be seen. So all these things will draw in case of orthographic projection here. So you can see here, I have drawn this one, this one, this one, and this one. Only these parts which are visible that I have shown here. In case of top view, again, this complete portion, this rectangular portion, this is a semicircular, but it is shown by a rectangle with the help of two edge lines, and this portion is shown. And in case of side view, what will be seen? This portion, this is the major portion is this one, so I have shown this one. Then inside rectangle, this small rectangle, there is one rectangle, and these three portions will be seen. Now here it is a cut line, it is seen in front view. So as this is cut portion, this portion is cut here, but it is not shown in side view, it is shown in front view, and it is visible in top view. So you can imagine it with the help of three views properly. Otherwise, there is very difficulty to you can say visualize the things. So all three views are important in this case. Now this is a you can say one kind of interesting type of thing. You will see they have asked to draw front view and top view only, because side view will be very easy. So I'm going to show you how the front view will be there. So this triangular portion is seen to you, this rectangular portion is seen to you, but this edge is not visible. That's why we are going to draw it by a dotted line. Then Karthik Pawar. Okay, Karthik Pawar is chatting with me. Karthik, do you want to chat with me, or you are chatting with somebody else?
सर वो गलती से एवरीवन में मैसेज.
Okay, no problem. Don't worry. मैंने देखा चैट में कुछ तो है. That's why. Okay, no problem. In case of top view, you will see a large rectangular portion is here. Then this triangular portion is there, but it will be seen like a rectangle because its overall view is rectangular. You can see here its overall view from top side will be a rectangle and a small rectangle inside it, and these two edges will be seen like a line view here. Okay, so when you are going to draw with the help of scale, you'll get to know that this line and this line is same, so it is aligned with each other, that you can imagine or you can draw it properly. So here they have shown some dimensionings. Actually, I have not covered dimensioning till the date because it was in unit number 1, and I am preparing some videos for on unit number 1, but I have not reached to dimensioning. So maybe tomorrow I'm going to post that video also, a dimensioning. So these type of dimensionings are to be done on your orthographic projections. So that dimensioning, all the, you can say, rules of dimensioning, I will explain in video number 3 of unit number 1. Okay, so there is no issue like that. Now this is one interesting kind of thing. If you'll see the front view, top view and side view, you will get to know that its front view, top view and side view all are same. So these are interesting kind of things which you can say these are sculptures which are developed, built by some engineers. So you can see the front view, side view and top view of this particular diagram is exactly same. All views are identical. Similarly, if you will see this type of dice, then your front view, top view and side view will be exactly same. So these are some rare cases in which your all the views will be identical. Again, here also same. You will see one rectangle, inside one small rectangle and outside these 4 rectangles. So these are all identical views. These are some, you can say, interesting kind of examples for you. Now we'll see again our regular examples. So if you will see the front view of this, again I'll use highlighter. You can see this L-shaped portion will be seen and this rectangular portion will be seen in your front view. In case of top view, what will happen? Okay, they have asked only front view and side view. So in case of side view, you can see this portion, this rectangular portion and this larger rectangular portion inside it. Okay, so your front view and side view will be like this. So in front view, this L-shaped portion is coming and this rectangular portion is coming. Now you can imagine that this line will come as a dotted line because it is hidden. Now in case of side view, this is not hidden, so you will get this as a smaller rectangle inside, this larger rectangle, this is square shape, and everything has been placed here. So orthographic is nothing but imagination of the faces of that particular object. So which face will be visible to you, that you have to find out. Then again you have to find you have to take care of the arrow, because that arrow will represent you which is the side of front view. Okay, which is the side of top view. Top view is always top will not be given, maybe arrow will not be given, but front view, from front view arrow you can find out the front view, top view, and this is LHS side view on right side. So they are asked to draw here only front view and top view. So front view is easy. This is rectangular portion, this triangular rib and this circular rib will be, a circular portion will be seen as rectangle with center line. Similarly, in top view, what we'll see is larger rectangle, this smaller circle, and this rib will come into picture. So this is the front view and top view of this particular diagram. Now here, from front view side, you can imagine that there will be this rectangular portion. This is larger rectangular portion. this semicircular portion will be visible, and as there is hole is been shown here, its hole will be in dotted line. So we'll see how the front view is drawn. So front view, this rectangular portion, this larger rectangle, this semicircular portion, and hole. Okay, they have missed the hole, but there you should draw here a dotted line and two dotted a center line and two small dotted lines. And in top view, what will be seen? This portion, this will be there. This semicircular portion will be appearing as a rectangular portion. This portion is there, and one small hole of that radius. So that will be your completion of top view. So this is orthographic projection. This is all about orthographics. This one, draw front view and top view of the object. Now front view from the side and top view. So in front view, you will see a circular portion, but it will be appearing as a rectangular portion. Then again, a circle, it will be seen as a rectangle. This slot will be seen as small rectangle. This tapering part is shown here, and your diagram is complete. Now here, a larger circle, smaller circle, and the smallest circle. And this slot will be shown by dotted line. We don't know this slot is throughout or not, but when it is not appearing, the second side of that slot is not appearing, we assume it as a through slot. Okay, so we are going to draw it as a through slot completely. यहाँ से बात कर total slot हम will consider as. Now this is again easy kind of question. A larger rectangle and smaller rectangle, and this will be shown by dotted line. So they have asked front view and side view only. So a larger rectangle, a smaller rectangle is kept on it, and this dotted line for this small cut groove. And inside view, you can see this portion, V-shaped portion, and this line will appear full here, and this small trapezium portion. So this trapezoidal will be shown. Okay, so this type of examples will come in your examination, and you have to find out what will its top view. Okay, they have not completed it, and the line is not complete here, but you have to imagine that this. Okay, I'll just draw that line for you. Okay, so in this case, front view will be a small trapezium, and this semicircular portion, also completely circular portion, but it is cut. So in front view, it will be seen like this. In case of top view, again, you will see a rectangular portion, and as it has been extended there, this small rectangle will be seen on other side. This circle is there, it will be shown on upper side. So this will be your top view of this diagram. Now again, this is simple. One rectangle, on that rectangle there are two rectangles kept, and there will be dotted lines everywhere. So this is front view. In front view, you will see a rectangle portion in which there is a dotted line of this slot. There is again this larger, smaller rectangle. There are two rectangles, this one and this one. These two rectangles are there, and again there is a dotted line for this slot. Actually, there is no need of this center line. Center line is not there because it is not a circular portion. This is a rectangular portion, so center line will not be shown. In case of side view, you can see this portion, this one, and there is no hidden line, so we can draw it directly like this portion and this one portion, and there is no hidden line shown. Now this one, this is also easy kind of thing. This rectangular portion and this trapezium portion will be seen in front view. In case of top view, again this small rectangular portion, this small rectangular portion, and this large rectangle with C cut, small cut, will be seen here. So your top view will be front view and top view will be like this. Okay, in case of front view, 1 2 3 rectangles are there because of there is a slight cut here, and this trapezium has been shown here. Then this one, this is your top view. Top view is very easy. This rectangular portion, as this is inclined, it is shown a small rectangular portion. Okay, so you will get to know where to draw that particular rectangular portion. Now this one, front and side view LHS view has been asked. In front view, you can see this portion and this triangle, this inclined portion as a rectangle we are going to see here. And in case of LHS view, you can see one a triangular portion, this one rectangular portion, and due to this hidden portion, there is a one dotted line is been shown. So we have taken around 15 examples today. I'll just again go one by one, so you'll get to know what examples we have taken. If you have any query regarding any view, you can raise your hand. We'll take the example. So this one was quite easy. Front, top, and side view. So when you will see in a video again and again, you will get to know these type of examples are actually very easy to understand and draw also. Only the thing is required, which is how to imagine the things. That is, which portion will be seen, that you have to see again and again. So you'll get to know that these examples are actually very easy kind of examples. Why I'm stressing this? Because in next unit we are going to, yes, Aditya, you can unmute yourself and talk.
Sir, Aditya example.
Yes, take Aditya. Yes, this
पहले
one.
एग्जांपल में इस एग्जांपल में टॉप व्यू है ना, उस
Yes.
टॉप व्यू में जो सर्कल दिखाई दिया ना, हाफ सर्कल,
Yes.
हाँ, उसके आगे का पोर्शन रेक्टेंगुलर होगा ना?
Which one? ये टॉप व्यू में हमने सेमी सर्कुलर पोर्शन दिखा है, करेक्ट?
हाँ, उसके आगे का
पोर्शन इट इज नॉट सीन इन फ्रंट व्यू ना, फ्रंट व्यू में दिखता ही नहीं है वो, तो हमने वो डॉटेड लाइन दिखाया है वहां पे, करेक्ट? कहाँ पे दिखाना है आपको रेक्टेंगल?
हाँ, यस सर।
क्योंकि हम वी हैव टू थिंक बाय वन व्यू एट अ टाइम। एक व्यू के बारे में आपको सोचना है। इन फ्रंट व्यू इफ दिस इज बिन ओके, फ्रंट व्यू में आपको अगर ये सेमी सर्कुलर दिखता है, इन टॉप व्यू इट विल बी रेक्टेंगुलर। टॉप व्यू में क्या दिखेगा आपको? रेक्टेंगल। अब घर पे आपके जो बर्तन है ना, वो चेक कीजिए, आपके बर्तन रहते हैं, पतीले वगैरह रहते हैं, वो देखिए आप साइड से देखेंगे तो आपको सिर्फ दो एजेस दिखेंगे, करेक्ट?
यस।
That's why circular and semi-circular portions will be seen as circular in one view. एक व्यू में आपको सर्कुलर दिखेगा, दूसरे व्यू में वो रेक्टेंगुलर दिखेगा। अभी ये सेमी सर्कुलर है, यू आर करेक्ट आदित्य, बट इफ आई विल सी इन फ्रंट व्यू, इट इज नॉट विजिबल एट ऑल, वो दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है, बिकॉज इट इज बीन कट, ये कट किया हुआ है। सो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू, इसका जो एज है वहां पे मैं एक डॉटेड लाइन ड्रॉ करूंगा, सो इट विल बी लुकिंग लाइक अ रेक्टेंगुलर पोर्शन ओनली, लेकिन इट इज डॉटेड, इट इज नॉट सीन बाय मी, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज डॉटेड। वो मुझे दिखाई नहीं देता, इसीलिए मैंने वो डॉटेड निकाला, समझे? और कुछ
yes.
और किसी को पूछना है? आप अनम्यूट कर, ये म्यूट कर सकते हैं, दूसरे किसी को पूछना है तो अनम्यूट कीजिए। ये ट्रायंगुलर पोर्शन, इट इज वेरी इजी, one rectangle and one triangle, only for slot I have shown the dotted line in front view. In case of top view, आई एम गोइंग टू सी दिस रेक्टेंगल, एक बड़ा रेक्टेंगल, ये वाला actually this is triangular pyramid but its base is rectangular, so it will be seen as a rectangle. In between the slot cut is again a rectangle, that's why it is rectangular, and these two edges will be seen like only a line. Edges will be seen as a line. Getting? Okay. So I think और किसी को कुछ क्वेश्चन नहीं है, फिर भी मैं फिर से सभी एग्जांपल्स आपको दिखाता हूँ बाद में, आप एनालाइज कीजिए, थोड़ा सा और सोचिए, किसी को और कुछ डाउट्स रहेंगे तो यू कैन आस्क मी ऑन व्हाट्सएप और इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर आल्सो। व्हाट्सएप पे किसी को डर लगता है कि सर खा जाएंगे, तो आप सोचेंगे, बाद में भी आप कॉल कर सकते हैं, कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं, पूछ सकते हैं बाद में। दिस वन, this is front view and this is top view. I hope everybody has understood everything, so nobody is asking questions, so I'll finish it. Today I'm signing out. This is my mobile number, and if you want to ask any questions, you can ask freely at any time. Okay.